Hi, Tim again. We'll just take a real quick look now at some fridges. Scratch and dent units. A lot of these are GE Café. See the gold band? Very high value units. This thing was originally $4,600, now $2,449. Let's see if we can find a ding. There's one there, bunch down there. This one does have more than some. Here's another Café unit, $4,700 originally, down now to $4,000 even, but perfect on the front. And you're going to see a lot of very good values here on refrigeration. Variety of colors, white and black and stainless steel, couple of even black stainless. And again, we can deliver, install, haul away, generally next day.